agus fáilte go clár an lí. This time we'll discuss how to ask people to do things, politely of course. Simple phrases like come in, sit down, hurry up, be careful and such like. Don't forget le hall, please, and go to thank you. Let's start with taristeach, come in, taristeach. But note, if you're talking to more than one person, it becomes tagagisteach.
Taristeach, Róise.
What taristeach?
Go to
Tarashta. Come in. Tarashta.
Tagagishta.
Tagagishta. When speaking to more than one person. Tagagishta.
If you ask someone to join you at home or in a pub or at your place of work, the next step is to ask them to sit down. Sí shees. Or if you're speaking to more than one person, sigi shees.
Ah, Jen. Could you more tattoo? See she's. Taristeach. See she's.
See shees. Sit down. See shees.
Sigi she's.
Sigi shees. When speaking to more than one person, sigi shees.
Sigi shees if talking to more than one person. In the next scenes, people are on the brink of a not too serious disaster. Their friends are telling them to covered, watch out, or coverdagi. Covered? Covered.
Covered. Watch out. Covered.
Coverdagi.
Coverdagi. If speaking to more than one person, coverdagi.
All three new phrases that you've just learned are included in the next scene. There are also phrases that you learned in earlier programmes, so you should have no difficulty. The only new word is shúnior, carpenter.
Taristeach. See she's. Seo Connell is Junior.
Jimmy Teshuv.
Go mai. Come at.
Taristeach, sí shees and covered. Did you pick them out? Let's watch it again.
Taristeach. See she's. Seo Connell is Junior.
Jimmy Teshuv.
Go mai. Come at.
Jan Jiffer, there's another useful request. Jan Jiffer, hurry up. Or Janigi Jiffer if talking to more than one person. You'll notice that Jiffer can also be pronounced Jifre.
Jen Jeffrey.
Alicia, Dan Defre.
Jen Jeffer. Hurry up. Jen Jeffer. Or Jen Jeffre.
Jennigy Jeffrey.
Jennigy Jeffre. When speaking to more than one person, Jennigy Jeffre. Or Jennigy Jeffer.
Occasionally, you may need to ask people to wait a minute. Fan bommetje, wait a minute. Or fanigi bommetje when speaking to more than one.
Hello. Fan bommetje. Yaddy. Jane Jeffrey.
Fan bommetje.
Fan bommetje. Wait a minute. Fan bommetje.
Fanny bommetje.
Fanigi bommetje. When speaking to more than one person, fanigi bommetje.
If you want someone to stop doing something, you say na janshin, don't do that. Or na janagishin if addressing more than one person.
Na Jen Shin.
Na Jen Shin.
Na jen shin. Don't do that. Na gen shin.
Na Jenny shan.
Na genigi shin. When speaking to more than one person, na genigi shin.
In the next scenes, you'll hear the new phrase, Drigidoris, close the door. Drigidoris. Or Drigigindoris if more than one person is being addressed. You'll also hear Yadahal, please, and Guramahigat, thank you.
Drigidoris. Guramahigat.
Drigidoris.
Drigidaris. Close the door. Drigidaris.
Drigigindaris.
Drigigindaris. When speaking to more than one person, Drigigindaris.
We'll have a listen now to the Connacht and Munster versions of Kavad and Drigidoris.
Dúna doras mar sé heile. Guramaid. Seachain.
Dúna doras a cheáin. Seachin.
Deirdre.
Sha.
Jen Jeffer.
Max Cafe Commercial. Connor B. De Niro. Clachtú ag hindiag?
A Deirdre. Jen Jeffer.
Fun bummichi yaddy.
Ní higlum.
Calculor.
Jane.
Imilati yaddy.
A cheáin, ag seálamh an bhád de cédain. Tá post agad, mas mínead. Amór, daddy. Na Jan seo yaddy. Ní iscara mé. Is aistir mé. Na Jan seo.
Deirdre's father refuses to wait for her. Ní higlum. I can't. Ní higlum. Cargilor, says Deirdre. All right. Shan, meanwhile, is under pressure to go home and work on the new boat, but he has other ideas. Ní iscara me. Is aistir me. I'm not a fisherman. I'm an actor. Let's watch it again.
Fun bummichi yaddy.
Ní higlum.
Calculor.
Jane.
Imilati yaddy.
A cheáin, ag seálamh an bhád de cédain. Tá post agad, mas mínead. Amór, daddy. Na Jan seo yaddy. Ní iscara mé. Is aistir mé. Na Jan seo.
Na Junction. Talk about her.
Ní higlum tá Jeffer adam.
Or fun bummichi.
Fan bummache. Na nim Jay. Tá sean Jay chlog.
Connor. Emilat. Agus Drigidoris. Nish. See she's.
Sí síos ach tá Jeffer adam.
See she's.
Sí síos.
Nuala. Halléad é bháidin. Go sé seo?
Ditch.
Litir Gaeilge Media. Sean Hammond. Maidir le a chríal Don Ogre Max Cafe, Bullish Jag and Offic Little Hall. Regarding your audition for the Max Cafe commercial, please call to the office. Fanula, I'm gonna be a star. Ha, quick one with you.
Jin Jeffer. Tá sé cearú ní dé. Jin Jeffer.
Jen Jeffer. Emi lad.
Biggie mai.
Dridgeadaris, close the door. Outside of Ulster, a word more commonly used for dridge is dún, and dún is the inspiration for a look at our place names today, because dún also means fortress and features in a lot of Loganimnacha place names throughout the island. The scanty remains of this dún do little justice to its history. It was one of the most powerful and impressive fortresses of its time. Dún Sorcha, Dun Severick in North County Antrim. Dún Sorcha was at the height of its importance in the 5th and 6th centuries. Situated at the most northerly point of the busiest route in the country, it was the gateway to Scotland, only 12 miles away across the sea. The language migrated with the people, and the similarity between Scots Gaelic and Ulster Irish is still striking. A dún was a large fort with defensive walls. Other words for forts are ra, lis and cashel. These were smaller and not as well defended as a dún, but they feature in a lot of place names too. Look out for them in the following Loganimnacha place names: dún, lis, ra, cashel. Dún lis, fort of the fort. Lis na Scéthe, fort of the shield. Ra Maltain, Maltan's fort. Cashel, stone fort. One of the legends about Dún Sorcha relates how a Norwegian named Gaeilge attacked Dún Sorcha to avenge the death of a kinsman while its owner, Turlach O'Cahan, was away on the Crusades. He was about to carry off Turlach's sister in marriage when Turlach returned unexpectedly. In the ensuing fight, the dún was burned and both men were killed. In her grief, Turlach's sister threw herself from the edge of the dún into the sea. To tell someone to be quiet, you say be queuing or bigi queuing if speaking to more than one person. Or you can simply say queuness, silence. There are examples of all three in the following scenes.
Hello? Hello? Cunius!
Cunius. Silence. Cunius.
Be queuing little hall.
Be queuing. Be quiet. Be queuing.
Biggie queuing.
Biggie queuing. Be quiet when speaking to more than one person. Biggie queuing.
How do you tell someone to go away? You say emilat. Now this phrase depends very much on your tone of voice. If you're sending someone off in good humour, you'll say emilat. But if you really want someone to get out of your sight, you'd say emilat. Have a look at some examples.
Leis, emilat. Emilat!
Emi lad.
Emilat. Away you go. Or Go away. Emilat.
In Ulster, the Irish for come here is gotcha, or gotchagi if speaking to more than one person. Let's look at some examples.
Emer. Seo.
Ah, gotcha.
Avrian, gotcha.
Gotcha. Come here. Gotcha.
Gotchagi.
Gotchagi. When speaking to more than one person. Gotchagi.
If you want something opened, you say foscal. Foscal and nyog. Open the window. The pronunciation foscal is particular to Ulster. In all other dialects, oscal is used.
Foscail in the Dahal. Gur mai good.
Pascal an yak.
Le Dahal.
Not the hall.
Alva. Foscail an inag le Dahal.
Foscal and Nyag. Open the window. Foscal and Nyag. Or Oscal and Nyag.
Cé Connor B. De Niro?
Ashton.
Stand by for rehearsals. Cunes. Tridin in action. Calculate Amelda. Our action, Tarashta, agus Tridin Daras at the Ye.
Fan bummacha.
Action. Imelda, Jen Jeffer. And begin to action, Imelda.
Higgin.
Ah, Max Cafe. Good at my good.
Cut. Dredge and Daras at the Ye.
Connor B. De Niro?
A Connor, fan bommetje. In ta mai. Sasha mai tu.
Good at my good.
Agus a gobber la Imelda.
Oh, does she galanta?
Ta bagan. Cabatu hin.
Clark gave a lilin cho.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
Bit we the moi. But while me gobber la Risha Megan.
Michael, you're. I'm making.
Gotcha. Gur mai good.
Na Jensen.
En we laat the wall in us.
Good at my good.
Gaeilge.
Céhísin?
Bannigan.
Bannigan? Cavad, tá mehar a coinneal súil artsa.
Tá me sé chuineal sulir dahar.
Tá maithar a coinneal súil orsa. My father's keeping an eye on you, says Deirdre. Agus tá mis a coinneal súil ar dahar. And I'm keeping an eye on your father. Has Sean misread the situation? Let's watch it again.
Again?
Gaeilge.
Céhísin?
Bannigan.
Bannigan? Cavad, tá mehar a coinneal súil artsa.
Tá me sé chuineal sulir dahar.
Well, Sinead, next time we'll discuss families, children and counting people, which is slightly different to counting things. So until then, from another famous North Antrim dún, dúnlis, Dunluce, slán go fáil.
In this episode of Now You're Talking, you heard Tarashta,
Tagagishta,
Seashis,
Sigishis,
Kavad,
Kavadagi,
Jen Jeffer, Jen Jeffra,
Janagi Jeffer, Janagi Jeffre,
Fan Bomache,
Fanagi Bomache,
Na Jen Shin,
Na Janagi Shin,
Dredgedaris,
Dridjagin Doris,
Cunius,
Bicuin,
Biggie Cuing,
Emilat,
Gutcha,
Gutchagi,
Fascal and the Nyag.